Welcome to Michigan State University's Master of Arts in Educational Technology and Graduate Certificate Programs video about using our ShareTracker. The ShareTracker is the control center of your MAET and GC courses. The ShareTracker is where you will communicate with your instructors about your work. Please begin by adding your names to the first column of the document. Some instructors do this step for you, but please be prepared to do this yourself. Assignments are grouped by weeks with the names of the assignments and the due dates. Our intent is for this to help you stay organized and clear of when your work is due. There are several tasks for you to complete before the course begins. Please attend to these as soon as possible. For example, the first task is to share your Me page with your instructor or instructors. After you have done this, please write Done. For other assignments, you will provide the information the instructors have requested directly on the ShareTracker. For many assignments, we will ask that you insert a hyperlink directly to your assignment from the ShareTracker. To do this, type the word Done and then click Command-K on a Mac or Control-K on a PC. This opens a window for you to type your URL. You can also go to the Insert Link icon, which takes you to the same place. The columns marked Feedback are for your instructors to use to indicate to you that they have seen your work and had a chance to grade it and provide you feedback. When you see that your instructor has marked an X, that's an indication to you to check for feedback in your evaluation notebook. As the ShareTracker is a Google Sheet, please make sure that you do not give the URL to anyone outside of our course. And please make sure that when you are updating your information, you do not update other people's information, as it is possible to do so.